Hello everyone, I am Rajiv Kumar and I have finished Bachelor in Quantity Surveying and Construction Management and I work as a quantity surveyor in construction industry. Currently I am studying Master of Business Information System at Torrance University and I have choose one of the organization Hudson Home, which is best home builders and they build various types of homes such as single story, double story, granny flats and dual living. Currently, they operating business in New South Wales and Queensland, and they plan to expand Victoria as well. Their business activities including design and drafting, estimating, construction, and sales and finance. Due to the expansion of their business operation and undertaking new projects, they should have efficient management system to cover each state's operations. Also record high level program and project management. Project portfolio management will be enabled to achieve the strategic objective and vision of Hudson Home. It provides centralized coordinate management system within project portfolio management. While it can get benefits such as resource sharing, methodologies, tools and techniques. Next, I am going to talk about the project versus project maturity level. Project portfolio maturity level is representation of the steps that organization typically take as advance in PPM capability. Maturity model provides help to determining the maturity of organization current PPM processes, mapping out logical path and improving organization processes, setting prioritize short-term process improvements and tracking progress against PPM improvement. And final, building a culture of PPM excellence across the organization. Maturity level represents the level of sophistication around the portfolio management process. Measuring Hudson portfolio maturity is critical for long-term success, strategic portfolio management. Next, I am going to explain about the benefit of PPM implementation. For Hudson Home will implement that PPM, it will provide more benefit for that organization. PPM provide accuracy on program and allow to that leadership can make better decision. Leadership can control over the program and interdependencies. Root cases of program can be identified and addressed. Also, that project team can make clear decision through the right data. Also, that risk be identified earlier and it can be solved earlier. PPM enabled that program can control clear oversight and governance. PPM tools and methods enable consistent and predictable business success. And finally, that agile methodologies provide new opportunities. It will help to adapt new business environment. Next, I am going to explain about PPM implementation process. It has consists 8 steps. First one, set the strategy. Organization strategies influenced by vision and mission, while these goals are translated into the innovative and projects delivery business value. Second one, win executive support. Share organization vision with key stakeholder on early stage, including top and every department. Build implementation team. Implementation team consists such as portfolio managers, technical team members, and stakeholders. Fourth one is gathering projects data. Project data is including current projects and upcoming projects, overall budget and estimated and actual schedule, rate of investment and number of projects aligned with strategy. Evaluate the projects. Review portfolio and evaluate such as duplicate projects, interdependencies, high risks and allocated resources. Sixth one is create portfolio. Define and document key process including PPM reporting structure and project request management system. As per the existing tool, that organization may upgrade or purchase new portfolio management tools. Test and refine. that should be tested with few stakeholders before using entire organization and use their feedback to refine as needed. Project portfolio management rollout start with one department and can be used later on more or other department. Using change management plans as per the scale and scope project, it will help to overcome any obstacles and resistance. Next, I am going to explain about that function of PMO. Managing programs and portfolios involves making investment decisions, and it's all about making sure that available funds are being utilized optimally, taking into account wealth parameters such as risk, probability of successful completion, strategic outcomes, market factors, implementation, related considerations, and so on. The PMO will help collecting and maintaining and analyzing relevant data across multiple areas of business. A project management office usually proves to be extremely useful when it comes to multi-project management. For example, that the Hudson Home will implement more projects from various states and various projects. So shared resources, assets, and the equipment, the various projects that are being run within a company are always somewhat interdependent. With its cross-department view of that activity, project management office is able to ensure that in such dependencies and constraints are anticipated, understood, and managed in a timely manner in order to support success of individual projects and ensure overall optimization. Next, I am going to talk about that project portfolio management and contribution in agility. Today's that every organization operates within rapid changes in economy market condition. For example, the construction industry has facing various problems, and also the technological advancements influence more than past. So that organization agility provide with the ability to adapt rapidly to internal and external changes productively and cost effectively. Important characteristics of agility such as flexibility and adaptability and open communication, ready to change, empowered team members, experience learning and rapid decision making, and strong customer focus. Successful of organization agility generally requires continuous communication and collaboration, engagement, and support within the organization. Also, that PPM tools seem to incorporating number of these agility features allow organization to become more agile. So agile is help to that adapt new environmental for the any organization, that will help to that Hudson Home as well. These are my presentation contents. Thank you.